Welcome back guys, it's King here again today. As you may already know, we will be doing an upgrade for this WPL C24 today. For this time, I will only be upgrading its motor from the stock 180 motor to this newly bought 260 motor. Perhaps this will give it enough speed to compete with the WPL D12. Without further ado, let's start working on the upgrade. First, we will need to remove the body shell from the chassis. To do that, you will need to remove 7 screws from the bottom of the car. There will be 2 screws here, down there, 2 here, 2 here, and 1 screw over here. So let's start doing that. Okay, so now we have the body removed from the chassis. You can see the motor actually resides here. There are another 2 screws to remove from here to get the motor out. We also have to unplug the motor from the control board so that we can plug in our new motor later. So we will have to remove this cover here. And this is the stock ESC. There's 1 screw attached to it. You need to unscrew that. And find the cable. So this is it. The second from the bottom. Let me just unplug that. For this set, you can see the drive shaft actually comes with the male connector, which isn't compatible with the connector in the differential. So we will have to swap this connector from the differential with the original connector on the drive shaft. Now let's try and fit the body shell back to its position. Oh no, it doesn't fit. You can see here, the motor is slightly bigger than the 180 and it doesn't fit here. We have to cut off part of this to get it fit.
"20 minutes later."
Okay, finally we have cut open the hole big enough to fit the motor. Now let's get everything back together in one piece. Okay, now the upgrade is done, so let's hit the road and see what's the top speed.
Okay, in conclusion, the C24's top speed is 3 km/h on a 180 motor and 6 km/h on a 260 motor. We all know that's not enough to catch up with D12, so we'll be upgrading it to the 370 and even brushless motor in coming videos. Subscribe and stay tuned to the upgrades. Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video or you find it helpful. Finally, happy RCing and see you in the next video. Bye!